I'm going to take the back off, and it's done by removing these two screws. I've already taken one out. Now these are Torx, very tiny Torx screws, so if you've already got a kit, like a screen kit or something, you're good. I didn't. I haven't had to touch this phone since I bought it. Brand new, 3 days after it came out. So it's treating me right. This is the first time it's giving me grief. But obviously I don't have that kit, so all I have is this super small jeweler's type screwdriver. I'm sorry, it's even so small you can't see it. But if you're very careful, very ginger, you can make it work. Just be very careful, wedge it in nice, and apply lots of pressure. And the way these screwdrivers are designed, you can actually turn it while it's pressed against your palm. So that's what you want to do. You want to get it in there. See, I've already got it pretty much good out. There we go. And it is magnetized. It's always a good idea just to find a fridge magnet or something. And you're not going to do anything to your phone. Don't worry about it. So there we go. Both the screws are out. Light's still on. So apparently we pull off the back. I'm just going to go blind because I don't really know, but I could always go to YouTube and or wherever. You just search iPhone take apart guide, or there's probably 100 million of them. I'm just going to do it wild. My iPhone 3GS, I've had it apart and together probably 200 times, and I can do it very quickly. But like I said, this phone's been good to me. It's the first time I've ever had to dismantle it. So kind of a pain in the ass, but totally an attestament to the quality of the phone. I've dropped it 100 times. It's not hardly scratched. I think I got a little scratch down here somewhere. That's about it. And up here, I don't put too many cases on it either. That just cheesy devil cases or the bumper or whatever. I've never put screen protector on it. So, geez, if you want to use the smartphone, you're good to go with that guy, even though my light's stuck on. But I'm fixing it at home, so that's another attestament. So I can't be too pissed off. Sorry, I'm eating a bagel. This is part of the process. I can't fix electronics without eating bagels. I'm trying to pop the back off. I got one of these spudgers. These things are great on almost anything. Non-marking pry bar. But also you could use a suction cup if I had one. I think I do, I was too lazy to look for it. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're just going to hope for the best. Maybe I should look online, eh? What do you think? Seems to be one. Oh, there we go. I got some give. There we go. So I got my spudger in there. I'm just going to be very careful, though. Oh, it slid back on me. Is that what it's supposed to do? Slide back? That's what it wants to do. It seems to be. My light is still on. It seems to be free on that side. Free on that side. And very careful. Oh, that's not so bad at all, is it, my friends? Look at that. Comes right the fuck off. So apparently you take out some screws and pop that camera out. I don't know. It's a good little phone.